never met, but where she at? Where she at? But it's Mrs. Right. I gotta see her. Travel all across the world just to meet her. Keep me on the flight. I gotta see her. Travel all across the world just to meet her. Travel to LA, maybe to the Bay, from the Chi-Town, or she might be out the States. Book a flight to London, book a flight to France. Can we go to Switzerland? Can we hit Japan? Flying so high, destination everywhere. Gotta find a way to get to where you are.
Where's my missus right now? I need her right now. I got some things I wanna say, so